Welcome to the world of pets. Let's explore and guess them. Can you guess all 10 pets? Let's begin. It says wolf and it is very friendly. Yay! Is it a wolf? No, it's a front. It says meow and likes to sleep. 3, 2, 1. Is it tiger? No, it's a cat. Look! It runs in a wheel. 3, 2, wow! Is it a mouse? Nope, it's a hamster. Yay, hamster! It has long ears and hops. 3, 2. Is it a kangaroo? No, it's a rabbit. It swims in water. 3, 2, 1. Is it a snake? No, it's a fish. It can fly in the sky. 3, 2, 1. Is it a plane? No, it's a bird. Yay! Hello, birdie. It moves slowly and has a shell. 3, 2, 1. Is it a rock? No, it's a turtle. Woof, woof! What animal is this? Dog. Meow. It looks like a small hamster. 3, hey. Is it a hamster again? No, it's a guinea pig. It can talk and repeat words. 3, 2. Is it a robot? No, it's a parrot.
Squawk! Hello!
It is a baby cat. 3, 2, baby. Is it a puppy? No, it's a kitten. Wow, you are amazing. Dog, cat, hamster, rabbit, bat, fish, bird, turtle, guinea pig, carrot. Watch again and remember all the pets.